Hi everyone. I want to share with you briefly about my new class, Heart-Centered Therapy H, Holographic Relationships. And for me, this was a gift of COVID, that when COVID has descended upon us, what has happened for most all of us is that we have been forced to go so deep inside ourselves, and we are accessing hidden and unresolved trauma that we didn't even know existed. And what I have discovered, the gift that I have received, is that I have discovered that it's not just the importance of our relationship to our mothers and fathers, which are so foundational to every relationship we have, but there's something even more primary, and this deeper place that we need to work is with the male-female within us. When I discovered that I am not only female, that I have a male counterpart that I was not in touch with and not in relationship with, and that I found unconscious judgment that I was mirroring on the outside, I was really quite surprised. And going into the depths of the understanding of this deeper relationship and resolving this has been such a deep healing, and it has opened my mind to seeing things in such a different light. There is also what I feel inside is that we are tapping the mystery of the male and the female, that we are redefining what it is to be a man or a woman. And I have discovered that the male essence, the male structure and being is so beautiful, yet it's been covered by so much trauma, and mostly this trauma has come from war, forcing men to do things against what their heart knows is right, going in and having experiences that violate their own souls and others. And when we can heal this, we can access that purity. And when we can access that purity, then we can bring in the higher divine presence of male, masculine energy, and the same for a woman. And when we can access the purity and be at peace with the male and the female, the wind blows. And there is a marriage that can happen, a divine marriage and a union of the male and the female that changes everything within us. This is the peace. This is where we find the resolve. And then we can understand that everything that is happening in the world today, everything, is unresolved trauma that we have not been able to look at. And I have also seen that when we come into life, we carry with us everything that we have not been able to see, we have not been able to face and embrace. And we can see that our mothers and fathers are our perfect mirrors. Our perfect mirrors to be able to work with everything that has been hidden from ourselves. And we go deeper and access that male-female, the internal marriage. And this, when we find peace within ourselves, then we will be able to hold space for the healing and peace on earth. So this is a big class. If you're ready to work on this level and in these depths, please come, because I am so ready to hold the space for all of us to move forward through this. Thanks.